I am happy to welcoming you back to another interesting video. From the title and the thumbnail, you might have known what this video is about. Yes, this video is about electrical vehicle sector in India. I will just take you a few seconds by taking you to the electrical vehicle history. The first electric vehicle in India is known as Lovebird, which was founded by Eddy Currents Control Company. And India's first electrical three-wheeler was launched in the year 1996 by Scooters India Private Limited. And India's first electric bus was launched in 2000 by Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, commonly known as BHEL. And India's first electric car was launched in 2001 by RECC, Reva Electric Car Company, which was later acquired by M&M, that is Mahindra, famously known as Mahindra Reva. Coming back to the current year, India's automobile industry is the fifth largest industry in the world and it is expected to be the third largest by the year 2030. This is for the automobile industry, not for the electric vehicle industry. Nearly 7.5% of India's total GDP comes from the automobile industry. As of now, only 1.3% of total vehicle sales in India comes from the electric vehicles and it is expected to grow at the faster rate. In India, the electric vehicle industry is in the starting phase. Government is taking various steps to promote the EV cars. India launched a scheme called National Electric Mobility Mission Plan 2020, which was introduced way back in 2013. The main objective of this scheme is to developing the national fuel security by promoting the hybrid and electric vehicle cars in the country. It also aims to produce 60 to 70 lakh units of electric cars and hybrid cars every single year. And Indian government is also planning to shift to electrical vehicles by the year 2030. There was the market report published by the Fortune Business Insights in November 2022, wherein they says the market value of India's electrical vehicle was $1.45 billion in 2021 and that value has grown to $3.2 billion in 2022 and this value is expected to be $114 billion by the year 2029, that too at the CAGR of 66% growth rate. Such an amazing figures, right? Now let us see why this much importance has given to this sector and what are the advantages of using this electric cars and also the challenges facing by this sector. The main reasons for giving this much importance to this sector is to reduce the pollution level in the country, and this is environmental friendly as the vehicles run without the fuel. And another reason is to reduce the import cost for fuels for India. This step has taken, and the maintenance for electric cars is also less. Now, keeping the advantages of this sector on one side, let us speak about the challenges that will be facing by this sector. The first challenge will be the availability of the charging stations. Currently, there are only around 5,200 public electric charging stations are working in India. But the total number of electric vehicles sold so far are around 20 lakh units. That is, for every 393 vehicles, there is only one public charging station. India needs at least 9 times the total number of public electric stations that are currently available. And the next challenge will be the mileage. The average runtime of a fully charged electric car is around 300 kilometers. Those who are traveling long, then it will be difficult for them to locate the charging stations for every 300 kilometers. The initial investment cost and the battery costs is also higher, and importantly, comparing to the normal cars, electric cars are a bit expensive. Now, when you considering investing in this sector, it is not only about the car manufacturing companies, but also there are many other companies that are indirectly contributing to this sector. Speaking in that way, we can classify this electric vehicle sector into 4 segments. They are auto manufacturers, battery manufacturers, auto parts and softwares, and charging stations. Now let us see some of the stocks in these segments individually. In the auto manufacturers, we have Tata Motors. Tata Motors is the largest automobile manufacturers in the country and it is trying to build the own EV ecosystem in the country. It also has separate subsidiary for its EV businesses called Tata Motors EVco Limited. We can easily say Tata is the king of EV sector, as this company owns many of its subsidiary companies that produces all the components that are required for manufacturing an electric vehicle. For example, TCS for tech-based software solutions, and Tata Steel that supplies steel for car manufacturing, and Tata Chemicals which manufactures lithium-ion batteries, and Tata Power for charging stations. So considering the management's approach towards this sector, this Tata Motors could be the better option. And the current market price of Tata Motors is around rupees 417. Speaking about the battery manufacturers, we have Exide Industries Limited. This company was earlier into the insurance business, which was then acquired by HDFC Life. And now this company designs, manufactures and sells different types of acid storage batteries. Along with its Switzerland-based joint venture company Leclanche, this company is manufacturing lithium and ion batteries, which are widely used in electric vehicle manufacturing. This company has adopted various new techniques and transformed its manufacturing process to provide latest products and solutions to its customers. Speaking about the financials of this company, the revenue of the Exide Industries are gradually increasing, and the net profit has also increased significantly. And most importantly, this company is debt free. And the current market price of Exide Industries is around rupees 177. Considering the auto parts and spares, we have Samvardhana Motherson International Limited, earlierly called as Motherson Sumi Systems. This company is the manufacturer of automotive components. This company is the India's largest automotive wiring harness company. Wiring harness is nothing but the group of wires or cables that are used to transmit signals and electric power. Since electric vehicle manufacturing needs more of its components, this company could be the better option. Speaking about the financials of this company, the revenue of this company are gradually increasing after this COVID pandemic, and the net profit of this company is also increased significantly, and the debt of this company is also reduced in huge number. And the current market price of this Motherson company is around rupees 80. Speaking about the charging stations, as we discussed earlier, Tata Group is trying to build its own EV ecosystem in the country. Tata Power could be the better option. This company has planned to install 25,000 public EV charging stations over the next 5 years, and also showcased a range of high-tech charging solutions to its customers at Auto Expo 2023 that happened in Greater Noida. Tata Power is the first company to install 1,000 public electric vehicle charging stations, that too in October 2021, which is way ahead of its close competitors. Tata Power is also partnered with the real estate giant Lodha Groups in installing the charging stations in all the commercial and residential properties in Mumbai and Pune. Tata Power has a step ahead in launching the app called Tata Power Easy Charge, which helps to locate the charging stations and its facilities. So in all aspects, Tata is way ahead of its competitors. And speaking about the financials of this company, the revenue and net profit of Tata Power is gradually increasing. And the current market price of Tata Power is around rupees 202. And the companies that we have discussed so far are not recommendations. They are the market leaders of their respective segments. It is always advisable to do the fundamental analysis of stock by yourself before investing in any company. I have made the videos about the things that you need to watch out before investing, and also a video on basics of fundamental analysis. I will give the link of those videos in the comment section and description. Consider watching the video before starting your investment journey. And if you find this video valuable, you can extend your support by just subscribing to the channel and sharing this video with your friends. See you all in another video with an interesting topic. Until then, take care. Bye.